Another thing that a lot of people ask questions about with Thermo is like, what are some good sauces you can use? Because sauces are fun. It's a good way to cook, especially if you're making Thermo Bowls where you have like good organic potatoes, some grass-fed beef. I love to just find a good barbecue sauce or Sriracha sauce or something like that and just throw it in the mix. Gives a little flavor, makes it kind of infinitely customizable because there are so many sauces out there. So we're gonna find some Thermo sauces here that you could potentially use for yourself. One of them is Noble Made Company. So this classic barbecue sauce, the ingredients, when you read the ingredients, are actually pretty cool. We got water, apple cider vinegar, tomato paste, pineapple juice, salt, paprika, grass-fed beef, bone broth, onion powder, some more, just these spices, powders, and they're all Thermo. So this ketchup is Thermo also. It's from Paleo Chef. It's tomatoes, honey, apple cider vinegar, bananas, golden raisins, avocado oil, sea salt, garlic, onion, cloves, allspice. There's some options here. Another one that a lot of people in the Thermo group like to use for Sriracha sauce is this Yellowbird one. I think it's out of Austin, Texas. It's very simple ingredients, like all Thermo stuff. So those are some options. Some stuff you should look out for though, like when you read the labels. See that has cornstarch in it. That's a common ingredient in barbecue sauce that's not necessarily Thermo. A lot of sauces that you'll run into, like you gotta look out for the oils. Like this one has soybean oil. Thermo is one of the most enjoyable things on the planet. It's like such a non-restrictive way to eat. You just gotta know what you're looking for. And you're eating in a way that's going to naturally help your metabolism, help your thyroid, help balance your hormones. And if you want to learn more about it, you can learn more over at thermodiet.com. There are tons of testimonials. Join the group, become a member of the course. You learn everything you need to know about it. And it's truly life-changing for people. It's a really awesome way to be. So go check it out over at thermodiet.com and I'll see you over there.